Sander. Are you ready?
Yep.
Is it started to record? Okay. Let me talk about the Spindle Sander. Spindle Sander is a different style of sander. It's got a drum that's going up and down. That's getting the rough edges. The Spindle Sander, anyone guess what the Spindle Sander is trying to sand?
It's soft. Just makes it soft.
Okay, it's trying to make it soft. What area are we going to do? The edge. We're going to use it to round the edges. Okay? Now, got a tool. Couple things. I'm going to take it off. Usually it's righty, tighty, lefty, loosey. So wait a minute. Righty. What's going on? Wait a minute.
Righty, tighty, lefty, loosey.
Wait a minute.
It's lefty loosey, righty.
Why? Why is it opposite on this tool? Why is it lefty loosey, righty? Oh, sorry. Instead of righty tighty, it's righty loosey, lefty tighty. Why?
I don't know.
Why? Yeah, let's look. Let's look at the tool. This unit, this screw is spinning, right? Time off. If this tool was spinning like this, watch what happens to the nut. Okay? It's going to tighten it down rather than loosen it. You understand the difference? If it was the opposite way like it normally was, over time, as you use the tool, what's going to happen? It would loosen. Okay? So we want it to be the opposite way. So I take that off, get a washer. Now, on the side, there's places to hold the things. Don't leave them here. Put them where they're supposed to. Please do me a favor, though. Don't drop them in the wrong holes. There are longer holes. If you drop that in it, I can't get that out. It drops in the back. I have to tear the whole machine apart. I had a student do that last time. Okay, I'm going to just set this off to the side. Pull the drum off. Comes right off. Now, if you look, this drum, see how it's starting to get coated with stuff? It's getting filled up. It's getting stuff on it from the sanding. Okay. Now, so we can replace it. I've got a different cone. Got different sizes. Why would we have different sizes of them? Why would you have small ones, big ones? Why?
To do different boards.
Yeah, to do different type of projects, right? Sometimes you need smaller units. You want to get the board. If you have a piece of work, you want to get it more on the table to use, that type of thing. See the sleeve? Sleeve slid right off it. I can go put another one on. Slides right down. You want to make sure it's level, right? You don't want it like that and then put it on the machine. Why not?
Because then it won't work.
Yeah, what's going to happen is it's going to slide right off as you go. Question?
What will we mostly be using? The bigger ones or the smaller ones?
You'll use the one that's sitting in the machine. I'll probably be putting a mid-size. For us, it's more important what's clean. Because what you're doing an edge and you have enough on the table that it won't matter whether you're using the small or the big one. If you look at here, what I want to do is see how I pulled this washer out? You need that washer underneath this for this to set. If I just set this here without that washer, it's setting on, there's a nut inside here. What's it's going to do is it's going to wear this rubber piece away. So you don't want to do that, okay? So what you're going to do, by the way, there is a vacuum. This will vacuum and pull the dust away. So I drop that in. I'm going to drop that down. Two things it does. One, it gives a place for this to ride, and it also covers and holds the whole thing in. You guys got that?
Yep.
Now what I can do is take the washer. That would be appropriate to be on top. In this case, I'm going to use the bigger one. Okay? I'm going to sit down and put this on.
Lefty tighty.
And what is it?
Lefty tighty.
Lefty tighty. Now I can... And again, it's weird but the reason that is because of tightening the tool. So because as the tool's spinning, it wants to tighten it down even more. I'm going to take this and I'm going to tighten it so that I want it so that it's not going to fall off. I'm going to try to center the washer through as well a little bit. I'm going to get it moved while I was doing this.
How long do you want me to record?
Keep going until I tell you to stop. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, now I want to make sure I put my tools out of the way because I don't want them in my way, right? I don't want them catching something. You guys got that? Anyone clear on the tool? Okay? The only thing left is, what's the problem? Is there an issue? This collar, what did it go to? It protected the big one. What's the problem about doing a smaller one? Does it leave a lot of space?
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you have a piece it's more likely to get yourself, because this unit's going to be going up and down, it's more likely to get yourself caught. So I'm going to put this away, and I'm going to go and look for the right one. Is that the right one?
No.
Is that the right one?
No.
Is that the right one?
No.
No? How about this one?
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm going to just set it down in, and there it is. Is anyone unclear on the collar? Okay. So now I'm ready to use the tool. Okay, can you back up just a little bit? Can you hand me the tool? Okay. I'm I'm going to turn it on.
Blue.
Same things apply, all the directions, you know, you're not going to do it until you check everything. When I turn it on, it goes up and down, okay? Oh, that's the wrong one. I'm going to adjust, should I be adjusting right now? No, right? To do any adjustments, I'm going to make sure it's completely off, stop. Do I turn it on and say, oh, it's your turn, walk away? No, right? The other thing is there's directional arrows. You can see it says the feed. The way it's feeding. You want to feed your board against the directional arrow. Okay? So if it's spinning this way, you want to feed against it. Use that back. Okay, well I'm going to turn it on. I'm just going to show you. By the way, as you're using the tool, make sure it sits on the table. Okay? Don't hold it up here and try to do it. All you do is it pulls through. And all I'm doing is doing the side edge. Then I'll turn it at an angle. Notice my hands. Where do my hands go? Are they quiet? No, right? I'm not doing too small a piece of work. I'm going away from it. Then I'll flip from the inside all the way around. And what I'm trying to do is round that edge. I do an edge, I do an edge, and I do an edge. Anyone unclear on that? Can you give me the little piece? Am I going to do something this small? No, right? That doesn't make sense. Look at my fingers where they're at. Okay. Is there anybody that's unclear on the spindle sander? So you can stop.